Hello everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. How are you? I am fine. Today is September 9, 2023. So I am here in Toronto and I just wanna enjoy this moment and invite you to come and participate in my activities, the Culture Day, during the Culture Days here in Toronto. As you can see, Culture Day starts in September 22, very soon, until October 50. So my activities in October 7, and we will be celebrating Hispanic Latin American heritage through my collaborative visual poetry with me. So come and join me. We will have fun. We have surprise. I am so grateful to have the space, a remote gallery. Since I received my RBC, my Space Award in 2022, I divided my time in three spaces, one for my photography exhibition, Cash and Release in July, and now in October, I will have 2 days more to do a community engaged program. And the first one is October 7 at 2 p.m. Let's create a multilingual collaborative visual poetry. And this one will be for family and kids, and I invite you to come and will be in Spanish, English, and perhaps in French. We will see. And I have the honor, to invite you to come and celebrate with me our Hispanic Latin American Heritage Month in October, which here in North America. So as you see, it will be Saturday, October 7th, the 2 p.m. at 4 p.m. in Toronto. Remote gallery. Here is the address. The agenda will be first rule, it doesn't have to make sense. Second rule, you don't need to speak Spanish or English because we will have fun no matter what in any language. So please come, join me. Let's go celebrating, experiment, and have fun. Create a poem together, all together. Let's go to enjoy our moment together. I'm so grateful that this program is part of the Culture Day, which I am so happy I received my pins for Culture Day. I will give this to you and you can have a memory, but also you can have this little postcard and like in English and French, and behind you have a space and white, and you can write a poem or drawing or record some memories from that day and share with us, and it will be really fun that day. So let's go to do that together. I invite you October 7 at 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. at Remote Gallery. The next activity is the next day, Sunday, October 8, and I will be with amazing mentor and artist, Leila Ray. We will do a brainstorm. I will show the event. Give me a second. Where is my event? We will invite this. I invite all the community. There are 20 space there, so please come join us. If you have a project and you wanna ask for feedback, if you have something to ask, questions, anything, look at that. Brainstorm is a free community event with mentor Laila Rai and Yannis Lobaina, me. So this brainstorm is a free drop um, for artists to meet, talk, brainstorm, and share techniques, materials, and opportunities. It's an amazing space, and I am so grateful Laila Rai accept my invitation to running this together and create community and keep going with the um, building space for us. I am so grateful for that. Please come up, bring your business card, bring your good energy, bring your resources, or bring your questions, and bring. Let's go to have 1 hour the sharing and connect. That's the most important things in this city, the Toronto. So it's in the same place. I will leave all the information here, remote gallery, the 1 to 2 p.m. Please come and let's go to create community through art, and let's go to enjoy this big opportunity to work with Leila and talk with her and see she's an amazing artist as well. She's an amazing mentor. I have the opportunity to work with her and she's wonderful. So highly recommend to come with your question, with your doubts, with your results, with your good vibes. That's the first thing. Good energy, my people. So please save in your calendar October 7 and October 8, remote gallery. And thank you so much if you come. Thank you so much if you share. Thank you so much for your support. Blessing. Have it. I wish you a wonderful weekend. Thank you. Bye.